So in this video, we will learn how to send SMS notification for new orders in Dukaan. Now suppose guys you have created an online store to sell your products online using Dukaan. And you want whenever a new order is received on your Dukaan store, you want to send an SMS notification to the customer who placed an order. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be getting a new order in our Dukaan store. And the action will be sending the SMS notification to the same customer who placed the order on their number. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give your workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Dukaan Twilio. And then just click on Create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Dukaan account upon Dukaan store with Pabbly Connect using a webhook URL. So that all the new orders which we get on our Dukaan store, on the online store which we have created using Dukaan, we will be getting the details of those new orders inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send the details of the order and the customer to Twilio, so that from Twilio, we can send the order confirmation messages to the customer via SMS. Now let's begin. Now to begin with, here in trigger window, in choose app, search for Dukaan. Select Dukaan app. After this, here in trigger event from the drop down, select new order received as the trigger event. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our online store which we have created using Dukaan app with Pabbly Connect and get the new order details inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. So just copy this webhook URL from here, and to add this webhook URL into your Dukaan app, just go to the dashboard of your Dukaan app, and from the left side, here you can see an option of plugin. Click on plugin. And then here guys, you have to install a plugin named as webhook. It is very simple. Just search for webhook over here. Search for it and then click on this install plugin button and install it. And we have successfully installed it. Now just click on this settings option and then click on this create a webhook button. Now it is asking us for the trigger event. So from the drop down, select new order received as the trigger event. And here in callback URL guys, we have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. And then just click on create. Now when we click on create, you can see that we have successfully added this webhook URL in our Dukaan account. And then whenever we are going to receive a new order on our store which we have created using Dukaan, the details of that order will also be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And guys, we are going to do the same. We are going to create a test order, a dummy order on our store. Just go to the home page, copy our store link and go to a new tab and paste the link over here. And then here we have to place a test order. For example, I have this product named as white t-shirt. Let's place an order for this product. Let's order a medium size t-shirt, buy now and click on continue. Now here guys, we have to enter the details of the dummy customer who is going to place the order. So these are the details. This is the name, email address, the mobile number of the customer. So whatever mobile number the customer is going to enter over here while placing this order, on the same number we are going to send the SMS confirmation message. Then we have the address of the customer and other details. Click on continue and after selecting the payment method, click on place order. So just now, we have received a new order on our Dukaan store. And because we have connected our store with Pabbly Connect, we will see that the details of the same order will also be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And yes, here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we have received some response. And in this response, we can see the details of the same order. We have the same total price of the order, that is 499 rupees. Then we will scroll down and we will see some other details regarding the order. We have the mobile number of the customer which they have entered while placing the order. Then after this, we have the address of the customer. Again, we have the mobile number. Then we have the name of the product which the customer has ordered over here. Then we will scroll down and we will see some other details regarding the order. We have the email address of the customer and also the details of the customer, like their name and email and address as well. So in this way, all the details of a new order which we received inside our Dukaan store, the details of that order will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this guys, we want to send a SMS confirmation message on the customer's mobile number with the order details. Now to do so, just scroll down, come to our action window, and in choose app, search for Twilio. So we are using Twilio in this video to send the SMS. Instead of Twilio, you can use some other service, SMS sending service, and send SMS using that as well. After selecting your application, here in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as send SMS message. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, it is asking us for the account SID and authorization token of our Twilio account. Now you must be thinking how we are going to get these details. To get it, we just have to go to our Twilio account. So we'll go to our Twilio account, scroll down, and here you can see the account SID and auth token of your Twilio account. Just copy this account SID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And paste it over here as well. After this, let's copy the auth token, just copy it, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see that our Twilio account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the body of the SMS. So here guys, we have to actually create the SMS message which we want to send to a customer. So I want my message to start as hello, and after hello, I want to mention the name of the customer. So we have received the response, the details of the name of the customer over here from the responses of Dukaan. So from these responses, we have to basically map this response of customer name over here in this SMS message field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the responses which you have received from Dukaan app. Here in this response, just search for the response of name, and here select response of full name of the customer and map it. After mapping the name of the customer, I want my message to be we have successfully received your order of, and then here I want to mention the name of the product which the customer has purchased. So from the Dukaan app responses, we have to select the name of the product. So let's search for it, item, and here it is, the title of the product. Just select this response of the title of the product and it will be mapped over here. And after this guys, I also want to mention the total amount of the order. So here I want my message to be hello test user, we have successfully received your order of white t-shirt of amount. And then here I want to mention the total amount. So from the drop down, select the response of total price, the total amount, and map it over here. Thank you. So this is just a simple message. Instead of this message guys, you can basically create any kind of SMS message which you want to send to your customers. And the response, the details of a new order which you have received from Dukaan app of a new order responses, from that data, you can basically map any of the data over here in this SMS message. After creating your body of the SMS, the next thing it asks us is the sender's number. So using Twilio guys, Twilio actually provides us a sender's number, using which number we are going to send the SMS message. So to get the sender's number, just go to your Twilio account and copy this my Twilio phone number over here. This is your sender's number. Just copy it from here and you have to paste it over here in this sender's number section. And at last, it is asking us for the recipient mobile number. So in this recipient mobile number field, we have to actually mention the mobile number of the customer on which we want to send the SMS message. So we have received the mobile number of the customer in this responses of Dukaan app. So from these responses, we have to select the response of this customer mobile number or the phone number. So let's map this number over here. Just click here and from the drop down, just search for the response of phone number. Here it is, select it and map it over here. And after mapping this phone number, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the SMS body which we have created, that SMS has been sent on this user's, the number of the customer, which we have mapped, basically the same phone number which the customer has entered by placing the order. And yes guys, here you can see that we have successfully received a SMS message on the same number. The message says, hello test user, we have successfully received your order of white t-shirt of amount $4.99. Thank you. So this is the same message whose body we have created over here in our body section. Now guys, we have successfully created this automation, and using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new order in our Dukaan app, the details of that order will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, and using this automation, automatically we are going to send an SMS confirmation message to the customer who placed the order. So after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once in real time. We will get back to our Dukaan store, and this time we are going to place another order. For example, I have another product of microphone over here. Let's place a test order for this product. Click on proceed to checkout. Continue. Let's enter the details of the customer. For example, demo user. This is the name of the customer and this is the email address of this customer. And click on continue and place order. So just now guys, we have just now placed another order on our Dukaan store, another test order. And we will see within few seconds, we are going to receive a SMS message on the same number which we have entered while placing this order. And yes guys, here you can see that within seconds, we have received a SMS notification on the same number. This message says, hello demo user, we have successfully received your order of microphone of amount 11,999. Thank you. Now this means guys, we have tested this automation workflow in real time and this automation is working absolutely fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. And by clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.